Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this in-depth analysis video between Royal Q trading software and Eazybot. In this showdown, we are going to cover all pros and cons of each individual trading software so you can make a firm decision of which trading software to choose from. With both Royal Q and Eazybot, it is very common that all of the funds remain in your control. In the current cryptocurrency space, with a lot of scams floating around, users' fund safety is still a big topic to take a look at. With both Royal Q and Eazybot, all of the funds remain in your chosen cryptocurrency exchange, and neither Royal Q nor Eazybot has access to those assets in any point of time. You simply connect your fund account via an API connection to the trading software of Royal Q or Eazybot. At the time of recording, Royal Q supports 5 different cryptocurrency exchanges and Eazybot supports BINANCE and KuCoin. Both trading softwares offers USD Tether as their base currency. Royal Q additionally offers Bitcoin or Ethereum, whereas Eazybot offers BUSD for their BINANCE users and USDC for the KuCoin users. Royal Q's trading strategy mostly consists of a dollar cost averaging strategy, whereas Eazybot constantly works on evolving their own strategy. Currently, Eazybot uses a hybrid strategy of a martingale, scalp trading, and dollar cost averaging. Combining this, you are now trading with the Eazybot strategy. As we have seen in 2022 and many times before, the cryptocurrency market has a lot of downfalls. As we have seen in 2022 and many times before, the cryptocurrency market oftentimes has its own crashes. Trading bots are known to thrive in bullish market situations, but it is very important to not throw away all profits as soon as the market takes a turn. Therefore, Eazybot created its own market crash recovery strategy, whereas Royal Q currently does not offer its own market crash recovery strategy. By talking about creating wealth, you will always hear about the compound interest. Albert Einstein went as far as saying that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Royal Q currently does not offer auto-compounding strategy, whereas Eazybot does. The Eazybot auto-compounding strategy is not just a monthly auto-compounding strategy, not weekly, not daily. Eazybot's auto-compound strategy works on every single trade closed, multiple times a day. All in all, a very powerful tool. Taking a look at the tradable coin options, Royal Q offers a range of up to 152 different coins depending on the exchange. Eazybot offers a smaller range of coins, only up to 28 handpicked coins, all of which are currently ranking in the top 100 cryptocurrency coins. Which means if you're a friend of trading highly volatile small altcoins, with Royal Q you have a bigger variety of taking a look at those options. Both Royal Q and Eazybot use spot trading as a trading option, which means you do not use any leverage, you only buy and sell real cryptocurrency and only use assets you really have in your asset account. There have been recommendations from both Royal Q and Eazybot. Royal Q's recommendation is between 100 to 1000 USDT per coin, where Eazybot says 300 to 600 USDT depending on which cryptocurrency exchange you are using. With Eazybot using KuCoin, you can start your own bots using 300 USDT. And using Binance, you need at least 600 USDT. At the time, only Eazybot offers a free-to-use software, where Royal Q currently unfortunately does not. The daily trading fees on Royal Q are 20% of the profits, meaning if you profit $10 on a trade, $2 of that profit goes straight into the Royal Q account and you can keep 8. Eazybot just recently updated their trading fee structure and now have kind of a similar fee structure to a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Coinbase. They take something between 0.4 to 0.2% of the selling volume depending on your package. Royal Q currently offers one annual fee of $120 to get started, and Eazybot currently has 4 different options to choose from. They have the lifetime free version, where you are able to start up to 2 bots, the advanced package for $250 a year, VIP for $999 a year, or the VIP Plus version for $1,495. The higher you go, the more bots you can start, the less fee you have to pay, and the more support from the team you can get. Using a third-party service for your own financial benefits, it is very important to get answers for your questions. Royal Q currently does not offer 24/7 customer support where Eazybot does. I know there are a couple of very good Royal Q leaders who are free to help anybody and give a helping hand, but also them are no match to Eazybot's current customer support strategy. You have 24/7 access through Telegram or mail to get in touch with the support team, or you can just attend one of the many daily Zoom meetings. In those Zoom meetings, you also have a very transparent ownership with Eazybot, but unfortunately there are not known faces from Royal Q. In those daily and weekly Zoom meetings, you also have direct access to the software developers with Eazybot, but unfortunately there's nothing known about the developers of Royal Q. When I like a program and it is to my financial benefit, I'm very willing to share it with others. I was very pleasantly surprised when I got to know that Eazybot offers a very professional marketing app with done-for-you funnels, quick replies for new referrals, and so on and so forth to get in touch with all community members. All in all, both Royal Q and Eazybot are delivering solid amounts of profits on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. I don't want to just throw numbers around because it always depends on the current market conditions, but combining those two together, I'm making between a 3 and 4 figure number every single month. I hope you got everything to know about each individual trading software, but please keep in mind that past results are no indicator for future results. And also remember that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. And every single one of you should make his own decision before jumping into any kind of investment. That being said, thank you for watching and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream